Hey everyone, this is Paul from Day to Day Fixes. On a previous video, I used FZ150 on my sneakers. This time, I will use it on this hat. As you can see, this hat has sweat stains on the top of the brim, as well as the bottom of the brim. Inside, it's also very dirty. We also have some dirt on the top of the hat as shown. So we're going to put FZ150 to the test. We're going to use the soft bristle brush first on the brim. Then we'll use it on the top of the hat. Dip it in some water, dry with the microfiber towel, and now it's time for the inside of the hat and the bottom of the brim as well. We'll also use the hard bristle brush, which is the yellow brush, on the inside of the hat since it has a lot of stains in there. We will dip in water, rinse all the FZ150 out, set it out to dry in the sun, come back and see if we need to do this one more time. Here's how the inside of the hat looks like after using FZ150 one time. Definitely looks like we'll have to come back and give it another shot after it dries, but we'll see. Here is the top. Now, this is after a few days of drying. As you can see, the top of the brim still has a little bit of sweat stain and some slight dirt stains on the top and the back of the hat. Underneath the brim, we still have sweat stains there, and on the inside, some slight dirt, but we'll give it one more shot with the FZ150 and see how it comes out. Just finished cleaning the hat with the FZ150 for the second time. We'll let it dry out for a day or two, and this is the result. There's no more sweat stains on the top of the brim, as well as the bottom. The inside of the hat still very little dirt or stain, very little. But compared to how this hat started off, this is great. No more stains on the top outside of the hat. In the end, I'm very pleased with this outcome, and I will give this a 9 out of 10. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.